Hey guys, so after having almost 75 people now land roles, I'm starting to see like resumes that come back, when they land their role. And here are some things I've found that's been very helpful to some of these people, probably getting the phone to ring. One, they're using the right keywords to actually attract recruiters to them. So when recruiters are searching, they're actually finding them because they're using a lot of great QA keywords. Two, they're also mentioning like their applications, their technology stacks. They're actually using other keywords in regards to test automation tools, programming languages, and applications and tools. These things are also highlighting them. Three, I've actually seen some of my students actually go and take also a certificate with like Coursera and SQL to show and build projects as a way to also show that they also are learning on their own. And another thing I'm seeing is I am actually, even though students come to my internship, I am seeing a great amount of my students that land offers and actually even do the internship still focus on their current jobs and also be able to speak more in a QA type of terminology in the language in regards to their jobs. So they're using their transferable skills to actually position themselves and is showing direct experience. All right. So I hope this was helpful, but these are a few things that I'm seeing.